more and more people are valuing the dollar and are looking to save and want cheaper parts. And cheap parts, again, come at a cost. Brake pads that are cheap generally are cheap for a reason. The material that they're made out of is inferior, or the brake part kit that comes with the premium brake pads for like clips and the various bushings and boots don't come with the cheap brake pads. This can turn into noise, vibration, general not being happy with the brake job that was completed, because a week, a month, 2 months after the repair, suddenly we have brake dust, we have brake noise, we have vibration, we have pulsation, and we're just generally not happy as a consumer because we think that it's the shop's fault, but in reality, it's the components that were used to try to save a buck. Cheap filters are a major concern. When you think about how expensive vehicles are today, to think that you're looking to get a $5 filter to maintain your engine oil on your $80,000 vehicle with premium full synthetic oil, that filter is not the same as a premium OEM filter or OEM equivalent filter manufactured by a premium manufacturer. There are lots of knockoffs out there. Sensors, original equipment sensors are designed and built for the vehicle specifically for utilizing in areas of high heat variations, as an example. And these aftermarket sensors that you think are the same, they may look the same. They may plug in and they may communicate, but durability wise, they're not the same because they're not designed for the heat cycles, as an example, to maintain longevity and life.